Keywords are not to be underestimated. With search engine optimization, or SEO, having a huge impact on your website's performance. Meta tags and images also affect your SEO visibility, so it's important to understand what makes a good tag or keyword and what mistakes to avoid. Keyword stuffing refers to crowding your tags with any and all keywords that seem relevant. This is something to be wary of, as it will have the opposite impact if the algorithm suspects inauthentic posting and actually makes it more difficult for your visitors to find you. To further enhance your SEO, create unique and accurate page titles that tell both users and search engines what the focus of your page is. A page's title may be a few words or a phrase, whereas a page's meta description tag might be a sentence or two or even a short paragraph. A page's meta description tag gives Google and other search engines a summary of what the page is about. Meta tags can be used to provide information to all sorts of clients, and each system processes only the meta tags they understand and ignores the rest. Meta tags are added to the head section of your HTML page. To create a meta tag, use your Notepad app, save your text as an HTML file, and place the title element within the head section of your HTML page. This means that when your page appears in a search result, the content of your title element will likely appear in the link. On your homepage, the title element should include the name of your business and other important information like location, contact information, or main focus. Be sure to accurately describe the page's contents. Choose a title text that effectively communicates your brand identity. Keep it short, informative, and avoid using vague or default text. Be specific about who you are and what you want the user to do on your page. Each page should have unique text in the title element, as this is how Google determines each page is different from the others on your site. You should also use descriptive text in the separate pages, designed specifically for the mobile-friendly version of your site. If you use a content management system or CMS, such as Wix or Blogger, you might not be able to edit your HTML directly. Instead, your CMS might have a search settings page or some other mechanism to tell search engines about meta tags. If you want to add a meta tag to your website, search for instructions about modifying the head of your page on your system site or reach out to your provider for support. When deciding on what image type to use for image optimization, consider WebP over JPEG and PNG, as they are significantly smaller in file size, which helps with site performance. Be descriptive in your titles, captions, file names, and text, as Google uses that information to draw conclusions about your images. Wherever possible, make sure images are placed near relevant text and on pages that are relevant to the image subject matter. Alt text improves accessibility for people who can't see images on web pages, including users who use screen readers or have low bandwidth connections, by reading out detailed description of what the image is. When choosing alt text, focus on creating useful, information-rich content that uses keywords appropriately and is in context of the content of the page. If SEO still feels out of reach, there are a variety of resources available to help better your understanding. Head to Google's help page or developers.google.com to find answers, or reach out to Digital Boost support team and help your business grow.